Welcome to Ybor City, a small little trendy community within the city of Tampa, Florida, which used to be the cigar rolling capital of the world. Rolling all them Cubans back when it was allowed. Then the embargoes killed it. But now it's a trendy spot for eating and drinking. And Italianing. So, want to go in there?
I'm curious what's going on.
At least they got free entertainment here.
I want to find out.
There's Sophie. Why the F you mad?
You know what I do when you see me in the booth. I just take off and go through. Cause it's fucking up the roof. Treat her like a bulletproof.
The small and passionate fan base of the Bolts, the Tampa Bay Lightning, reside here in Ybor. Welcome to Ybor City. And boy, ain't it pretty. What do you think, Soph?
Yeah, it's really pretty. Cool buildings.
Yeah. Want any cigars?
I'm good. I have some from Cuba still.
I thought you were going to say I had some from Q still. I was like, what did he get up to? Want to go in there?
Orpheum? No, it's alright.
Hey, there's where we had dinner, right there, so.
The Acropolis, yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It was.
You know, I'll be nice and let them pass. Okay, or not. Deuces. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was Ybor City, and boy did it have the smell of cigars and something else coming out of the Orpheum. It was quite invigorating.
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue, or La Settima believe it was cool.